introducing the revolutionary right-hand drive Corvette Z06 for Japan. In an unprecedented move, Japan is set to receive the highly anticipated Corvette Z06 with a right-hand drive configuration directly from the factory. This exciting development aligns with Chevrolet's commitment to making the latest Corvette C8 a global phenomenon, ensuring that countries in need of right-hand drive versions can have access to them. However, it appears that Japan might be left wanting when it comes to the Z06 they are about to receive. In a recent interview with Japan's WebCG, two prominent executives from GM Japan, Yoshiaki Uehara and Satoshi Nakano, disclosed some intriguing details. They revealed that all the forthcoming C8 Corvette Z06 units, destined for the land of the rising sun, will share a similar aesthetic, a sleek coupe body style adorned in a striking black hue, complemented by captivating red interiors. Moreover, these units will feature the top-spec 3 LZ trim, ensuring that Japanese customers receive a package brimming with desirable features. While the combination of a black sports car with vibrant red seats may seem tasteful and appealing for the Corvette Z06, Japanese enthusiasts might yearn for more options. However, there is a compelling reason behind this decision. According to Uehara, the decision to opt for a single specification for all units was driven by the desire to minimize waiting times. Furthermore, black happens to be the most popular paint color for the Corvette Z06 in the United States, which facilitates the importation process of the right-hand drive versions to the country. Now let's delve into the realm of performance. As we previously reported, the Corvette Z06, intended for international markets, will undergo certain modifications to comply with stricter regulations. Specifically, the Z06 remarkable 5.5-liter flat-plane V8 engine, hailed as the most potent, naturally aspirated V8 power plant in any production vehicle, will experience a reduction in output. In countries such as Australia, New Zealand, Europe, and now Japan, the horsepower figure will stand at 636, down from the robust 670 horsepower offered in the United States. Moreover, discerning enthusiasts may observe a distinctive change in the exhaust system. The four-pronged central exhaust design showcased in the American Z06 will be replaced by twin exhaust pipes positioned at opposite ends of the Japanese Z06 rear bumper. This modification is necessitated by stricter emission and noise regulations prevalent in these markets, which prohibit the use of the straight pipes featured in the US spec Z06. Japan is on the verge of welcoming a groundbreaking iteration of the revered Corvette Z06, tailor-made to cater to its right-hand drive market. While some might lament the lack of customization options, it is essential to recognize the advantages of this approach, namely reduced waiting times and a streamlined importation process. Moreover, although the performance figures may be slightly dialed down to meet regional regulations, the Corvette Z06 awe-inspiring presence remains intact. Get ready, Japan, for a thrilling new chapter in automotive excellence.